What's up guys? I am Cadet Oran.
And I am Cadet Molino, and today I will discuss you some basic chart layout.
So I am gonna show you how to fix position, set a course, and determine a dead reckoning. So let's go!
Today guys, today I will show you some basic chart layout and identify their names. So first is the chart title. This one, the Indian Ocean southern part, and the sail, which is this two, the international sail, and the chart number, this one, 4070. Then the precautionary notes, then the scale of the chart, this one, 1:10 million, and the latitude, this part, and this one is the longitude, and coordinate corner, which is this part, the coordinate corner. Then the small correction, this part, the lower part. So we will put some, if there is correction, so we will just put in the lower portion of the chart. And that's all guys, thank you.
Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix position, set a course, and determine a dead reckoning. First is to find our fixed position. So the given position are 41 degree 10 minutes south. So we're gonna locate this on the left side of the chart, which is 41 10. So the second position is 73 degree east, 75, 74, 73. So nasya diri 73. So after you find, put a mark. So after that, the given course is 100 true. So here the compass rose. So we're gonna using triangle since I don't have parallel. Just like that. And then go to the mark position. Slide. Then down. Then put a line. So that's the course 100 true. So the given time of our departure is 0700. And the given speed is 5 knots. So we're gonna put a 100 in this because it is course. So the next time given to us is 0745. So we need to determine where we would have a dead reckoning, where we think we should be at 0745. So we need to do the distance, speed, and time to determine the DR or dead reckoning. So distance is unknown and the speed given to us is 5 knots, and the time is 0745, which is the second time given, and 070 is for our departure. departure. This is the new position. So we're gonna have subtract, which is 45. So which is 45 minutes on being underway. So we need to convert this 45 minutes into decimal by dividing by 60 minutes. So 45 divide 60. 45 divided 60, which is 0.75 hours. So this 0.75 becomes our decimal time. So we're gonna take that now. Speed times time equals distance. So speed, which is 5 knots, times time, which is 0.75. So we're gonna calculate 5 times 0.575. So 3.75 miles. This is our distance. So this 3.75 miles is our distance traveled over 45 minutes. So we're gonna get this 3.75 miles. We go to our compass divider on the side of the chart. We're gonna use this latitude scale to determine our miles. So 1, 2, 3. 0.1, 0.75. And then we're gonna put our divider on our departure. Then along with our course line, and put a line or mark. So this is the distance traveled over 7:45 minutes. Okay, good.